Can you imagine earning money every month without having to be there? It's not a dream. It's a strategy. And those who understand it live off their properties without trading their time. Today, I'm going to show you how to build passive income through real estate. You don't need to be a millionaire. You don't need experience. You just need a clear guide, a strong mindset, and patience. In this video, I'll walk you through how to build a real estate portfolio that pays you every month, even while you sleep. You don't need a lot of money, and you don't need to be an expert. You just need to understand how people who live off their properties really think. I'll reveal what no one tells you when starting out, the mistakes to avoid, the decisions that will help you scale, and the strategies that generate real income, not theory. If you've ever dreamed of no longer depending on a paycheck, stay until the end, because this could change the way you live forever. Step 1. Long-term mindset. It all starts in your head. Before you buy a property, you need to buy into one idea. This is not a sprint, it's a marathon. If you enter the real estate world trying to get rich in 3 months, you're heading straight for failure. Real estate is not for the impatient. It's for those who understand that true wealth isn't built overnight, but with vision and consistency. I was also a victim of the "I want it all now" mindset. But when I shifted my focus and started thinking about income over the next 10, 20, 30 years, everything changed. Those who win this game aren't the fastest. They're the most consistent. Step 2. Start small, think big. The most common mistake is wanting to start big. Buildings, large commercial spaces, million-dollar investments. But the truth is, you don't need any of that to begin. What you need is to start. A small, well-chosen property gives you the most important thing: real experience. You'll learn how to deal with tenants, solve problems, and understand how money flows in this game. My first investment was modest, almost insignificant, but it was my classroom. And thanks to that, I was able to grow with confidence. Starting small is not thinking small. It's having the humility to build from the ground up. Remember, it's not about how much you have. It's what you do with what you have that moves you forward. Step 3. Diversify to protect yourself. Never put all your eggs in one basket. In real estate, this is a golden rule. Many people fall in love with one neighborhood, one city, or one type of property. Until that area drops, the market cools down, or that tenant type disappears. Diversifying is protecting yourself. Having residential and commercial properties, even in different regions, keeps your portfolio protected from market shifts. I learned this the hard way. When a city I had invested in stalled, my income dropped fast. I only saved myself because I had already started to diversify. Remember, the goal is not to earn more, it's to lose less when things get tough. Step 4. Use other people's money. This is one of real estate's biggest superpowers. You can grow using money that isn't yours. You don't need all the capital sitting in your bank account. You can leverage through financing, loans, or even partnerships with other people. I was afraid at first too. I thought debt was dangerous, until I understood that a well-used debt is not a burden. It's a ladder. Here's the key. Make sure the monthly income from the property covers the debt, expenses, and still leaves you profit. That's called positive cash flow. Money isn't the obstacle. Not knowing how to use it is. Good leverage can fast-forward your path to financial freedom by years. Step 5. Focus on cash flow, not just value. Many people fall into the trap of chasing properties that will go up in value. And yes, appreciation matters. But you can't eat promises. What gives you freedom every month is cash flow. That steady rental income that covers expenses and leaves profit. I had valuable properties that gave me zero monthly income. Until I realized the true power was in owning assets that generate cash now, not someday. Cash flow is what pays your bills, your lifestyle, and your next investments. If your property doesn't pay for itself, then it's not an investment, it's a liability. Step 6. Don't do everything yourself. Thinking you can do it all alone is an illusion, and a dangerous one. At the beginning, I tried to do it all. Rent, maintain, collect, repair, even take midnight calls. The result? Burnout, mistakes, and worst of all, I stopped thinking like an investor. Your time matters, your energy matters, and if you spend it on operations, you pull yourself away from strategic growth. Hiring a good manager, delegating to reliable people, building a team is not a luxury. It's a tool to scale without breaking down. It's not about spending more. It's about freeing your mind to keep making smart decisions. Investing means leading, not doing everything. Step 7. Reinvest your profits. Every time a property gives you money, you have two choices: spend it or reinvest it. And believe me, the path to freedom is not through consumption. Real investors don't live off their rents at first, they recycle them. They take that income and turn it into new properties, new assets, new opportunities. I had to resist the temptation to treat myself many times. But I learned that the real reward is multiplying your portfolio. The magic happens when one property helps you buy another, and then another. That's called exponential growth. Every dollar you reinvest today is a brick in your financial freedom tomorrow. Step 8. Know your tax advantages. Many people think investing in real estate is just about buying, renting, and collecting rent. But truly smart investors also understand the tax game. The law, in most countries, offers benefits to those who invest in property. You can deduct interest, depreciation, operating expenses, taxes, repairs. And that means one thing: more money in your pocket without earning more. I discovered this late, after losing thousands due to ignorance. But once I learned, my returns grew. Without buying a single extra property. You don't need to be an accountant. You just need proper guidance. Tax savings are a silent lever that multiplies your wealth, if you know how to use it. Step 9. Cool head, firm hand. In this world, you'll see it all. Miracle projects, 20% monthly returns, deals that sound too good to be true. And they are. The trap for new investors is letting emotions lead the way. But those who build real wealth make decisions with their mind, not adrenaline. I also fell into those traps at first. I bought impulsively. I sold out of fear. I lost time and money because I didn't have a clear strategy. The market rewards those who think long-term, not those who react to every fluctuation. Your best tool is not money. It's discipline. In real estate, patience doesn't just pay, it multiplies. Step 10. Manage your portfolio like a pro. Your real estate portfolio isn't a statue, it's a living organism. And like all living things, it needs reviews, adjustments, and constant decision-making. It's not enough to buy and forget. You need to look at your properties regularly. Is it performing as expected? Can you improve its returns? Is it time to sell, refinance, or renovate? I review my portfolio at least once a year, and every time I find something to improve. Sometimes selling a property that has already given all it can is the move that lets you grow again. It's not about reacting with anxiety, it's about adapting with intelligence. Those who settle, lose. Those who adjust, advance. Building passive income through real estate is not a luxury. It's a decision, one that changes your life, your time, and your freedom. But I won't lie to you, this doesn't happen overnight. It takes vision, consistency, and courage to do what most won't. While others stay trapped in debt, you can build assets. While others trade hours for money, you can make money work for you. Every property is another piece in the puzzle of your freedom. And every step you take today is one day less tied to the system. Subscribe if you're ready to stop surviving and start building. Because this is not just an investment, it's your legacy. And don't leave just yet. If you truly want to master the real estate game, I've left a recommended video for you to dive deeper and keep moving forward, step by step, toward financial freedom. Click and keep learning. This journey is just getting started.